All right, Ryobi Mister, $89. Is it worth the price? I think so, but let's go into why. And if you guys don't know, my name is Josh, industrial maintenance. I do some Ryobi stuff, some homeowner stuff. Mostly I do industrial stuff, but once in a while you have a couple gems like this one or the original fan that I think are great universal. Just doesn't matter what your channel is about. These are amazing. So anyways, guys, let's get right to it, and I'll see you in a second. All right, we have the fan and the pump. If you guys don't know, there is a hybrid version of just the fan. That's it. And you can use battery or you can plug it in. I use the original one over there on scissor lifts and whatnot, because you just hang it up really quick and you get some airflow. Because when you're running conduit or doing a thing up there, like fixing wind braces, whatever it may be, holy cow, it makes life amazing whenever you have some airflow. All right, it has this little part that goes into your water, just like you would a pressure washer for your soap. Pretty simple, sucks up the water, filters it out, so you don't get big clunks in there. How long does it run on original? I'm about to do some testing, so in the second part of this video, hopefully I cover that, because I never really timed it. So I'm gonna throw the original one on there, or 2 amp, not sure which one, whichever one's charged, and then I'll run on high and see what happens. So, okay, it's not like the other one, it's not a hybrid, it's battery only, which is fine. Use it on baseball games, softball games, whatever it may be. And if you want to, you can hook up to a garden hose, which I think is awesome, because then you're not filling buckets. But, you know, if you're camping or whatever, a bucket is maybe all you have, and that's just fine too. Okay, in terms of just compared to the hybrid over there, same amount of oomph, you know, same amount of airflow comes out of both of them at high and low. So there's no difference there. So if you just want a fan, I suggest that one, because you can plug it in, like I said, you can hang it up in your shop really easily. Anyways, guys, let's get to the video of it actually spraying out. If you don't know, width-wise, it shoots about 5 feet wide, and you get maybe about 7 or so when you shoot it on the pump on high, on the fan on high. So it gets a pretty good radius. I never really tested on low, because I always just have it on high and high. Like if you're outside and you're hot, you're just gonna be on high, and it's gonna be on high. Like I don't know why you'd have anything else. So, all right, guys, kind of hard to tell with the video, but it's shooting out of both misters, basic pump on low and fan on high. My edge of my garage is 6 feet away from where it's at right now, and you can kind of see by the floor, it gets really wet there, but I can actually feel it outside. So it goes 6.5-ish, 7 feet. 7 feet is when I really don't feel it anymore. So it goes a long ways, guys. On the battery that came with it, the fan on high, the pump on low, I ran it for an hour. So if you have a good 4 amp hour, hopefully you get 3 hours out of it, 3.5, maybe even longer. Let's see what kind of water comes out when we turn the pump on high. Maybe you can hear the difference. You should be able to see it. You can really see it on the ground now. It's really making my floor wet. Yeah, you want some water coming out. It goes a little further now. It might hit actually about 8 feet now. So it really, I'll just put my hand right here. You can see my hand is soaked. So it puts out some water, guys. You know, I paid $69 for mine. Right now they're on sale for like $89. You'll usually find them by the buckets and stuff, guys. If you already have the Ryobi lineup, I think it is an amazing deal, quite honestly. Obviously, size comparison wise, guys, basically same size minus the bucket and the pump part. And as you can tell, this thing is pretty dirty. I use it a lot whenever I work on scissor lifts and booms and stuff, because there's no circulation of air, so I use this a ton. I don't know if I would use the bucket one, just because I really don't want to get wet up there, and it's a little bulkier. This thing hangs up really nice. So it depends on what you want to use it for. If I was just going to own one at the house, I would definitely own the bucket one, just because I can easily mount that anywhere too. At work, though, this fits in my toolbox, and I use it greatly a lot. So, you know, if you have a sporting event, a baseball game, you know, daughter's softball game, whatever it may be, like we have a family reunion coming up, I think it's a great thing to bring. So, guys, I think it's a great investment, even though it's a little sharper at $89, and this thing is like $39, $49. See you guys in the next video, and don't forget, smile. It's going to be wonderful.